welcome sa aking channel. Today, our topic is about active and passive voice. But before that, if you are new in this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, click the notification bell in order to be updated with my next video. At syempre, share na rin para mas maraming matuto. Now, last time, I have told you that we are going to check your answer in our last topic about confusing phrases in subject and verb agreement. Now, for number 1, Lisa, along with Nena, runs outside. Alright, our subject here is Lisa only. So, our answer should be runs. Number 2, the principal, together with all the faculty members, have called an emergency meeting today. Now, our subject is principal, which is singular. So, our verb should be has. Next, Ben, accompanied by his friends. Our subject is Ben only. So, our answer should be is. Next, the mayor, as well as all barangay captains. Now, our subject is only mayor, which is singular. So, our answer should be is. And then, number 5, Fred, together with his wife, rejects our proposal. Our subject is only Fred. So, this is singular. Our verb, our answer should be rejects. Alright, now we are going to proceed to our new topic. Alright, let us now proceed to our topic, active and passive voice. Now, first, we need to define first what is voice. Voice is the form of a verb that shows whether the subject is performing the action. Pag ang voice ay nagagamit natin para malaman kung ang subject ba ang siyang gumagawa ng action o hindi. Alright. In the active voice, the subject performs the action. Pag active voice raw, ang subject ang gumagawa ng action. Like this example. Fred introduced the guest speaker. Now, let us analyze this carefully. Fred is our subject, followed with an action verb, introduce. This is our action verb. And guest speaker is our object. What kind of object? It answers the question who. Fred introduced who? It answers the question who? Guest speaker. So this is our direct object. And our verb is a transitive verb because it transmits action. So this is our transitive verb. And this is our subject. Now, take note that only action verbs can be used in the active and passive voice, regardless whether they have object or not. Like this one. She spoke with confidence. Our subject is she. And then our verb is spoke. But if you are going to ask the question what or who, she spoke to whom? There is no answer. So, walang object. This is not an object. Hindi siya object. So, we have subject, verb. There is no object. But still, this is under the active voice. Active pa rin siya. But, you cannot transform this into passive. Kasi wala siyang object. Alright. Now, in the passive voice, and the passive voice, the subject receives the action. Ang subject ang nag-receive ng action, like this one. The guest speaker was introduced by Fred. Now, here, ang guest speaker ang nag-receive ng action, although siya ang subject. And then, it is followed by was, which is a form of the verb be. Ito siya. Form of the verb be, and then followed with the past participle, introduce. This is our past participle. Now, and then, ito na ang Fred. This is the doer of the action. Ito na. In our original sentence, Fred is the subject. Ito talaga ang subject. So, but here, in this case, baliktad ang sentence. Ang nasa unahan ay ang object. This is our object. What kind of object? That is a direct object. Followed with the verb be. And then followed with the past participle. And then followed with preposition by. And the subject. Nasa last ng subject. Remember, this is an inverted form of sentence. Baliktad siya pag passive. Now, the formula is, una muna, ang object. Now, our formula here is object. This is the object plus verb be plus past participle plus preposition by, and then plus the subject. That is our formula under the passive voice. Alright, here is the verb break and the passive voice. Under the present tense, active, Nena breaks the glass. If we are going to transform this into passive, it will become the glass is broken. Instead of breaks, we are going to replace it with the glass is broken. Take note of the verb be plus the past participle broken, followed with the preposition by, and then the doer of the action, Nena. Glass is our object. This is the object. Object. Okay. This is the object. This is the verb be. This is the past participle. Past participle. Preposition. And then this is the subject. Now, under the past tense, Nena broke the glass. Now, to transform this into passive, it's going to be like this. The glass was broken by Nena. There is the object, form the verb be. Because this is the past tense, it should be verb be was followed with the past participle broken. And then the preposition by, and then followed with the subject. Next, Nena will break the glass. Now here, will break will be transformed into will be broken. Now, we're going to start with the object, glass. And then the form of the verb be is will be. This is the form of the verb be. And then the past participle is broken. This is the past participle. And then we have the preposition by, followed with the doer of the action. Okay, this is the subject. Next, present perfect. Nena has broken the glass. Now, we are going to transform has broken into has been broken. We are going to start with the object, glass, followed with the verb be, has been. This is our verb be. And then the past participle is broken. And then we have preposition by, and then the doer of the action, Nena. Next, under the past perfect, Nena had broken the glass. Now, we're going to start again with the object, glass, and then followed with the verb be. It should be had been. This is the verb be, had been. Followed with the past participle, broken. And then preposition by, and then the receiver of the doer of the action, Nena. Next, under future perfect, Nina will have broken the glass. Now, again, we are going to start with the object, the glass. And then, our verb be is will have been. This is our verb be. And then, broken, our past participle, followed with the preposition by and our subject or doer of the action, Nena. Next is present progressive. Nina is breaking the glass. Now notice, we are going to start again with the object, the glass. Is being is our verb be. This is the verb be. Followed with the past participle. And then preposition by and our doer of the action, Nena. The last past progressive. Nina was breaking the glass. Now here we are going to start again with the object, the glass, followed with the verb be, was being. That is under the past progressive. And then followed with the past participle, broken, and our preposition by and our subject, Nena. That is the doer of the action. Now, we are going to have a quiz again before we close this session. Alright, before we end the session, we are going to have a short quiz. And we are going to check this in our next session, in my next video. But before that, syempre, shout out muna sa aking editor, the creator of The Green Thumb, as well as sa akin po namang videographer, the creator of Feed the Mind TV. Now, for our quiz. Number 1, his attitude was ridiculed by his friends. By the way, you are going to choose to identify if the underlined verb is functioning as active or passive voice. Number 1, was ridiculed. Number 2, protects. The president protects the people. Number 3, the treasurer will collect fish for the failed trip. Number 4, the trip was postponed because of the storm. Number 5, Ben is being called up in the office because of a complaint. Now, if you have learned something in this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, click the notification bell in order to be updated in the next video, and also share na rin para mas marami pang matuto. Thank you very much for watching. See you again.